Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another home decor video, and I haven't done one of these in a while, and I just got some new shelves in my upstairs bathroom, and I've been kind of wanting to play around with my home decor that I have and come up with a really cute like shelf scape. Is that what you call it? A shelfscape? And I wanted to just like bring all of my home decor that I have kind of stored away and just play around with different looks. And I thought it'd be really fun to film this for you guys and just kind of like show you for inspiration, not necessarily for like teaching purposes. Like I don't necessarily feel like I'm doing this to teach you guys anything. It's more so just for inspiration. I just think that this would be really fun to watch personally, just because I like watching home decor type of things. So I hope you guys find this maybe entertaining or interesting. I really like what I ended up, going with. I think it's really, really pretty, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna stay that way forever. I might be editing this video and decide I'm gonna switch it to something completely different, but I do like what I ended up going with. Let me know in the comments below which scape is your favorite, and let me know why. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little home decor video. It was really fun to make, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most of a
Alright you guys, so this is what I ended up going with, and I went with that giant plant. That's actually a fake plant. I want to get a real one. I've been way more into real plants lately, but I got that one at Goodwill literally like 6 years ago or something like that. I just really like that it really fills up the space a lot, and I just like that fullness that it has, and it also kind of like hangs over the shelves a little bit. And then I also added that box, the marble box with the candle on top. I like the stacking look that that gives. So I really like that. And then on the bottom shelf I did my rhino and that little like succulent type of plant, and then the rolled towels. So that is what I decided to do on the shelves. Like I said, this might change in like a week. It might change after I edit this video. I don't know, I might like something else better. But that's the nice thing about home decor is you can always change it up. And then I decided to go ahead and just stack some toilet paper on the back of the toilet like that, because my girls always need toilet paper. And then right here in the corner of the like sink area, I just did the bath salts, the picture frame, and that little Dollar Tree candle there. I really wanted to add a frame in this room. I love picture frames because I just feel like they really, I don't know, they give like a personality to the house in a way. So I put that there with the bath salts. The bath salts actually smell like lavender, which I really like. So that is basically what I did. But let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!